I'm in a Kia Proceed GT. Next to me is a Skoda Kodiaq VRS. Next to that is a Ford Focus Estate. And next to that is an Audi Q3. And we're going to have a drag race. Now this may seem a little bit odd, but these 4 cars are part of the Carwow long-term test fleet. So we've got them for 6 months to see what they're like to live with. And we have them here at a drag race shoot, and we thought, we've done some other cars. Let's just race these as well for some fun. So this Kia has a 1.6 litre turbocharged petrol engine with 201 horsepower and 265 newton meters of torque. It's front wheel drive and it's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. The Skoda has a 2 litre twin turbo diesel engine with 240 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. It's all wheel drive and it has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The Ford Focus has a 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 182 horsepower and 240 newton meters of torque. It's a manual 6-speed front wheel drive. The Audi Q3 has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 150 horsepower and 250 newton meters of torque. It has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control and it's front wheel drive. All the cars weigh about 1,400 kilos, apart from the Skoda, which weighs over 1,800 kilos. Also, I think it's the least aerodynamic, so we'll see if that matters. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you're alerted whenever we make a new upload. Also, if you want to follow us on Instagram, it's @CarWowCars. Anyway, let's continue this rather bizarre drag race. This thing's so slow off the line, come on. That Skoda just shot off. Now I'm past the Ford. Can I catch this Skoda? Come on, Kia. Come on, this is going to be so tight. It's going to be tight, it's going to be tight. Oh, the Skoda just had me. I was gaining on it. Had an awful start. Not as bad as the Audi though, but then it does have the least powerful engine. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Skoda Kodiaq VRS did the standing quarter mile in 14.8 seconds. The Kia Proceed almost managed to catch the Skoda up, but in the end it crossed the line in 14.9 seconds. The Ford Focus Estate took 15.8 seconds, and the poor old Audi was last, doing the standing quarter mile in 17 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. All the automatic cars are locked in 3rd gear and the manual is in 3rd, so I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! This Kia is pulling quite high revs at 50 in 3rd, and now it's got the power to pass the Skoda. So it's Kia first, Skoda second, Ford third, and poor old Audi last. Finally then, we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Let's see which car can brake in the shortest distance. Oh! Well, that's interesting. The Audi won it, then the Kia was second, just beating the Ford. It's so close between this Kia and the Ford, but the poor heavy Skoda was last.